Oh, hello, my spooky friends. Welcome back to my channel. It is now November. What the heck is going on? I'm still living in Halloween Town. So here's a little Halloween-inspired tutorial for you. I did this look for Noodles and Company, actually just for a photo that I posted on my Instagram in the month of October, like towards the end. And I filmed a tutorial and I just never got it up last month. So enjoy. Let's just do it. I'm using my Wicked Sisters in Your Dreams palette. It's Freddy Krueger inspired. And I'm just doing a black smoky eye for this look. Nothing too crazy. And I just wanted it to be kind of like black and orangish, like more warm toned, you know, as it got smoked out. Oh, yes, ma'am. Let's do this other eye. I also did my foundation, my base, all that contoured. You know, just the basic stuff. I am tight lining my lower lash line. I'm using my Urban Decay Perversion liner. I love this liner for doing my lower lash line. It's awesome. And I'm just smoking everything out. I just go in with the black first, then a dark brown and smoke it out some more. And then just to really blow it all out, I go in with that lightest orange color. I dust away all the powder. I do that just to make sure that no fallout messes up my base. I'm using this Elm Street lip scrub from Dark and Glam Beauty. It smells really good and it's super cute, and I thought it just went with the vibe, you know, just like the spooky serial killer vibe. Then I'm using this Bitter Lace Beauty Slay highlight, which of course, hello, it's a blood splatter. So, you know, sometimes I just like to do themed tutorials, like, you gotta keep it themed sometimes. It's cute. I love spooky makeup, so if I have it and it goes with the character I'm doing, kind of, then I'm gonna do it. I'm highlighting my whole face, my inner corner, and my eyebrow bone. Then I'm taking my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and I'm just popping on mascara to my lashes. For lashes today, I'm using Dark and Glam Beauty's lashes. I'm putting on my lash glue first because this is what I personally like to do. I put it onto my lid. I also put it onto the band of the lashes, wait a good minute, and then I just pop them on, and it's so easy. My inner and outer corners never lift when I do like both my lash line and the lash band. It's just so much easier for me personally. Popped on my Michael Myers jumpsuit and some knife earrings. I'm using these P. Louise products for my lips today. This is a lip liner from them and then a lipstick, which I actually really loved. I'll have the names of the colors down below because I can't remember off the top of my head. But I was obsessed with this lipstick. It was so comfortable. Usually I don't like bullet lipsticks by themselves, but I actually really liked this one. And the color went perfect with my eyes. But that's really it for this tutorial, guys. I'm getting silly right here. You know how people on Instagram always use some weird object to contour with? I thought it was cute to use this Michael Myers knife I got from Spirit Halloween. And then also I tried to put on the freaking mask and it was like deformed. I got it from Spirit Halloween, but it was like the last one, so I think something was just wrong with it. I was having a hard time, y'all, but it was so fun to do. I had fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had the best Halloween ever in the world. And I had a great month. Thank you all for supporting me. It was absolutely wonderful. And I do have more stuff coming. I have a lot of stuff planned for December, and I have stuff coming this month, but I am taking a little bit of a break, so I hope you understand. I'll see you in my next video.